Let's check out the Disco. As usual, start off in the back seat. I'm liking this color quite a bit, by the way, and the silly little hanger accessory here. In case you carry a suit everywhere you go. Makes me feel important. Anyway, let's see if this thing squeaks. Right off the bat, this has some of the cheaper materials that I've seen in the cheaper Land Rover products like the Evoque and Discovery Sport. So this stuff up here, it feels like the, recycled, material that I mentioned in other videos. Not as premium as it could be. They don't have this material in the Sport or the full-size Range Rover, so bad on the Discovery, but well, let's check out the rest of it. Actually not too squeaky in the back. Uh-oh, what is this I see? Low battery, please start engine. Wow, I bet nobody's ever seen that light before. I will start it up actually pretty soon.